Asus Router Red Light. Let's start. 1. Check the cable connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected to the router and modem. Loose connections can interrupt network signals. 2. Restart the router. Power off the router, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to reset the network connection. 3. Restart the modem. Unplug the modem, wait 10 seconds, and then reconnect it. This helps re-establish the internet connection. 4. Reset the router. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to reset it to factory settings, but note this will erase custom configurations. 5. Check firmware updates. Log into the router's settings page and look for firmware updates, as outdated software can cause issues. 6. Try a different Ethernet port. Move the Ethernet cable to a different LAN port to see if the original port is defective. 7. Replace the Ethernet cable. A faulty Ethernet cable can cause connectivity issues. Try a new one to eliminate this possibility.